Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and simple method to learn Kinyarwanda. You've got lessons, the text and the audio translated from English into Kinyarwanda with the keywords. You will get access to the useful phrases in text and the audio format that will help you express yourself in Kinyarwanda. Please watch. Then you're going to click to useful phrases. So useful phrases, that's what I'm going to show you today. Hi, which is greetings. So we say hi, hello. In Kinyarwanda, you say uraho. Hi, uraho. Hi, uraho. Let us listen. Uraho. So if you want to welcome somebody, say welcome to my house. Welcome, say murakaza neza. Murakaza neza. What are you doing? Uri gukora iki? What are you doing? Uri gukora iki? How are you? Amakuru ki? Amakuru ki, you can say amakuru ki, or you can say bite. Bite. Very easy. Bite. Many people in Rwanda say bite. Bite is just a meaning of how are you? Bite. Nimeza. So if somebody asks you bite, you will respond nibyiza or nibyiza or nimeza. Nibyiza. You can also say nibyiza. And another one, you can say, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Witkwande. My name is Nitwa. So you can say my name is Jackie. So this is just an introduction of useful phrases that is in the application that I designed for you guys. If you want to get more information, then you can go back here and get the full version of the application. That from the full version, then you can learn to my web application, and then from my web, you see you can even download English Kinyarwanda, English Swahili, and if you can speak French too, so you can go into Français Kinyarwanda and Français Swahili. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much. If I get some question, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Bye bye.